What makes the TMU program unique is that the students not only going to have education in business, but they're also going to learn a lot about their Christian faith. And it's important to know that you can be a Christian man, Christian woman, and be active in business, and you can exercise your faith right in the marketplace and make a difference.
At TMU, one of the nice things about the School of Business is you can come at this from a myriad of different ways. You can come at it from an online standpoint, you can come in traditional, undergrad, or you can actually come in and finish a terminal degree through a master's program that we have here on campus. But you can come at things however fits your style and actually however fits your education needs.
The School of Business is very challenging. Its academic standards are very high and very rigid, but at the same time of working hard, we also know how to have fun. There are times when a bunch of us would gather at a professor's house and we would just watch a movie together, or we would have snacks and grab meal together. It is an environment where we're able to work hard but also connect well with the people around us.
The professors are able to connect with you on a personal level because it is a smaller environment. So every day as I'm walking into the business department, I see the same group of professors. You start to get to know them, get to know their backgrounds, they know your story. I actually think that if I reached out to a couple of them today, that they would maybe take a few minutes, but they would recognize who I am and maybe a little bit about me, which I think is extremely unique. And I don't think that I've encountered a lot of other people that have had that type of experience.
I think it's awesome just the environment that this school has. Being the smaller class size, I spent a lot of time with the same kids, the same students who are pursuing the same things as me, so it allowed for deep relationships with one another, and in classes I'd excel in, I could help those who weren't, and vice versa.
The TMU School of Business showed me that I don't have to be a Bible major, I don't have to be a missionary in order to reach the world for Christ.
With my education at TMU, I am now equipped to go into a workforce or into a local church, and the possibilities are endless, but I know from what I've learned at this school that I've been prepared to learn well and to do whatever job I'm given to do diligently unto the Lord.
So I graduated 8 years ago, and if I was considering going to college all over again, I would still choose TMU as my choice because of what I was able to learn there.